my name's Susanne McLaren and I'm a lecturer here at UHI.
Hi, I'm Donna Morrison and I'm also a lecturer here.
We're both teaching on the Higher and National 5 programme, and we thought we would make a video to answer some of your frequently asked questions. So there's a number of Hires in Nat 5s that we offer. We can offer you National 5 Biology and also Higher Biology, and we also run a Higher Human Biology programme as well.
As well as that, we have Nat 5 and Higher Chemistry, along with our Nat 5 and Higher Environmental Science.
Yes, so our online study takes place on our virtual learning environment called Brightspace, so you'll get full access to this. On a weekly basis, there will be scheduled work for you to cover, so you'll be given a schedule for the whole year. And each week you will cover that task. Now that task could be some reading from coursework, there could be videos, there will also be homework tasks, there can be quizzes. So there's a load of resources that are on the platform. You will also have access to recordings of lessons on the specific subjects for that week as well.
So there's actually 3 occasions you need to come into campus. The first one being your assignment, the second being your prelim, which takes place in the January or February, and the third would be your actual external SQA assessment. If you are further afield, however, we could help you arrange getting your exam sat in a centre closer to your home, but you would need to let us know and you would need to contact that centre yourself, but we are happy to support you in that process. So we normally recommend around 7 hours each week of personal study, and the great thing about online courses is that it fits in around your work life, your school life, and you're free to do it even at the weekends.
So there's a range of resources that you will need to help support you with your study. So the first one is obviously you're going to need a computer or an iPad or tablet or something like that that gives you access to the internet. You're also going to need a good Wi-Fi signal. That will help, especially if you're having any of your drop-in sessions with your tutor and any of these online kind of forums that we'll be doing. We also will require just the basics, so you'll need a calculator, although there is calculators on mobile phones during your actual exam time, and you will not be allowed to use your phone. So it is good practice to get a calculator and learn how to use your calculator, because some of them kind of have different buttons and so forth. And then just the basic notepads, pens, pencils, ruler is suffice.
Yeah. So there are textbooks available for the Nat 5 and Higher Biology, for the Higher Human Biology, and for the Nat 5 and Higher Chemistry courses. The Environmental Science course, however, it doesn't have a textbook. However, we do provide you with lots of resources and links, all of which will help support you in your studies.
So there's a number of assessments that you do need to do for the Hires and Nat 5s here in science, and they're all this kind of similar type of assessments. So the first one is the assignment. So the assignment is a research assignment whereby you will design an experiment or do some field work if it's for environmental science, and you will then write up your results under exam conditions or control conditions. So that is one of the times that you do need to come to a college. The other assessment will be the formal assessment, will be the SQA exam that you do at the end of the year. We do hold a prelim, which is another form of assessment, but that is formative, so it doesn't go towards your final mark. But we do recommend that you do it because it helps with your learning and preparation for the main exam. So there's a number of ways that you can be supported here at UHI Murray. Firstly, with your lecturer. You will get online support via emails. You can also have team sessions, so recordings, and have one-to-ones. There's also drop-in sessions where we can focus on specific skills, so looking at problem-solving skills, experimental skills, and so forth. You can also get support if you have any underlying learning. So when you do your application, you can tick a box to say that you maybe have dyslexia or you maybe have anxiety, and one of the members from our inclusive learning team will get in contact with you and have a chat with you to see what support we can put in place to help. This will formulate into something called a personal learning support plan, which we will ensure that specific software can be used for you. It could be work is given to you on coloured paper, so we can get stuff printed off and sent to you. You could have extra time, separate rooms in your assessments and so forth. We also have an excellent study bar here at UHI Moray, and although you're an online student, you do get full access to the study bar. So you can contact them by email, and also you can have a Teams chat with them, and they can help support you with your coursework. They can help you organise your learning and planning how you do your learning around your home life. So there's lots and lots of support here that you can get at UHI Moray.